Hi everyone, it's your lovely Lotus Blossom Lizzie at pleasantcreations.com, and I just wanted to explain briefly how the print and cut service works. I know that not all of you have a printer to print things out, so in my shop I actually offer an upgrade so that if you do purchase a digital product, you have the option of having that printed to you and cut as well. So here's how it works. When you come to the shop, you will select your favorite digital item. And so here we have like some random vintage digital downloaded numbers. You have 234 images here. If you look in the description, it will show you how many PDF files are in here, and that's how many sheets it is. So in this particular digital kit, there are 4 sheets. Now, I also have been putting these in the title so you'll know how many sheets they are. So in this particular instance, it's 4 sheets. So what you'll need to do is to add this digital kit to your cart, and then you can upgrade. So next you need to go to the upgrade listing, and to find this, it is in the instant downloads here. So let's select that category and you'll see print and cut upgrade. Select the print and cut upgrade, and over to your right you'll see some options. First, you want to select the paper type that you want. I've added 3 paper types: premium paper, cardstock, and copy paper. So you'll select the one that you would like. And if you have any specific instructions, you can put them here where it says add your personalization. And here you can say maybe out of those 5 sheets, there's only 1 sheet where you would like some copies. So you can put that information here. In any case, if we need to contact you, we can do that through the Etsy messaging. And then you'll select quantity. The quantity is how many sheets that you're going to need printed. So remember, when we were in the other listing, it said that there was 4 sheets. So we're going to select 4 sheets and add to cart. So once you add those to your cart, then those will be print, cut, and shipped to you immediately. And it's as easy as that. That's how the print and cut upgrade works. So thank you all for supporting the channel, and thank you all for supporting my little shop over at pleasantcreations.com. Have a good day.